Looks like we need a starter. Hello and welcome back to Subaru. Today we're going to replace our starter. So let's get started. Let's pop the hood. The starter's located behind the top mount intercooler, so we just need to take the top mount intercooler out and it should be right there on the transmission. Luckily for us, we've done this a few times. All right, everything's loosened up, so we should be able to pull it out. The starter is located right here. All right, let's start by disconnecting this ground wire. It's got 2 bolts holding it in, and then a ground and a positive. I got one on the underside right here. All right, we need to disconnect this from the starter. Need to undo this bolt right here. Great. First things first, disconnect the battery. All right, we got the old starter out, so let's compare it to the new one. Here's the old unit, and here's the new unit. They look to be about the same, so let's go ahead and install the new one. Let's start by connecting the positive to here first, and then we'll connect this connector and then put it in. All right. Okay. Just gotta tighten this one down here. That tightened. Now we just need to put the ground on. Where is it? There it is. Ground goes right there. We got the starter in, so let's put the rest of the car together. This is always so much fun. Let's reconnect the battery. All right, let's see if we did this correctly. Yep. If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe for more Subaru content. I'll see you in the next install. Bye.